The secret ingredient. Understanding recipes passed down. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a very special phrase in the English language: recipes passed down. This phrase is not only about cooking but also about tradition, culture, and family. Let's dive into the meaning and use of this beautiful expression. And by the end, you'll be able to understand and use it just like a native speaker. When we say a recipe has been passed down, we're talking about a culinary guide that has been shared from one generation to another within a family or community. This isn't just any recipe, it's a cherished tradition, often coming with stories, memories, and a sense of belonging. These recipes are more than instructions for preparing food. They are a link to the past and a way to preserve family or cultural heritage. Passed-down recipes hold sentimental value and are a way to remember and honor those who came before us. They often include secret ingredients or unique methods that may not be found in cookbooks or online. Sharing these recipes is a sign of trust and intimacy, strengthening bonds between family members and connecting generations. It's a way to keep the memory and legacy of ancestors alive through the simple act of cooking and eating together. Imagine your grandmother taught your mother how to make a special pie, and now your mother is teaching you. That pie recipe is being passed down. It's not just about learning to make the pie. It's about the stories of past family gatherings, the laughter shared, and the love that went into making each pie. These recipes become a treasure, a part of family identity, and a piece of history carried forward. When talking about recipes passed down, you can use phrases like, "This recipe has been passed down through generations in my family. I'm learning a dish that was passed down from my great-grandmother." Do you have any family recipes that have been passed down to you? These expressions help convey not just the transfer of cooking instructions but the emotional and cultural significance of the act. Understanding the phrase, recipes passed down, enriches our appreciation of English as a language that captures the essence of human connections, tradition, and heritage. It's a beautiful reminder of how food and language bring us together, linking past, present, and future. We hope this exploration has added a new layer to your English learning journey. Keep cooking up new knowledge, and until next time, happy learning!